In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix a messenger notification not showing on iPhone. Firstly, begin by opening the Settings app on your device. Then, navigate to the Notifications section. Scroll down until you locate the Messenger app and ensure that the following three options are enabled. Continue scrolling until you find the Messenger notification settings. Tap on it, and the Messenger notifications and sound section, verify that Do Not Disturb is disabled. Show for Views is enabled, and New Friend notification is enabled. Additionally, ensure that the option to receive notifications, even the app is not in use, is enabled. Once done, tap on Done. Next, return to the main settings menu. Confirm that Show Previews is set to Always. If desired, enable Siri to announce your notifications. Proceed to the Sound section. Verify that Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent are both enabled, and set the volume to maximum. Then navigate to the Battery section and ensure that Low Power mode is disabled. Lastly, make sure that your internet connection is stable and performing at its best. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.